Now, for the next part of the experiment, I have filled the glass full with water. Now, on a piece of paper, I have drawn 3 arrows. So, which direction is the arrow facing? It is facing, you can see, right? It's facing your right. Now, when I place this paper behind the glass of water, what do you see? It has changed direction. Can you see that? How did that happen? This is because of the properties of light. Yes, you know the properties of light. You know reflection and refraction. So, when you place the paper in front, it has to travel only through the air medium. There is no medium in between to reflect or refract the light rays. However, when I place it behind the glass, we have a medium of water to intervene. Therefore, the arrows appear to go in the opposite direction. So, I hope you understood the properties of light through these experiments.